personally, I will not advise say upake okana with valuable items.
Someone an appear a babam bomo when him jenny and achi in Commodia. I don't cast Yana Ghana this year.
Asempa FM.
Feeling sad. Only one station makes me happy. When I wake up in the morning, only this station makes my day. Asempa, Asempa, Asempa,
Asempa FM.
Asempa, Asempa, Asempa FM. Oh, Asempa, Asempa, Asempa FM. Asempa, Asempa, Asempa FM.
Asempa FM.
Semnambi tunomathemba basaphalile ngode ngane mama babuya nomathemba kamekhulu babuya nomathemba basaphalile ngode ngane uzobhala wena wo uzobhala wena uzobhala wena uzobhala nomathemba uzobhala nomathemba uzobhala wena uzobhala wena uzobhala nomathemba uzobhala wena tinana wesando sami sodliwa izindunduma tinana
Belgium, any Holland, any Germany, you could be for last do always different. The bit is a humble. Who watch on the comment now? Group do our one show who nothing can be so new more. May have to three more president. 3 to me 4. One show will all go to group no prayer. About power. Now, you just can't be done with you. I'm going to catch you. So, do you think you are Pajura? So, you can. You can do the Maka. You may do one make more. And you not answer the question. Even a diker, security back and bring the you are. Oh, God, make the computer, the sooner than that. You know, it was very living yet. And just now, it's young Paiboyan and them. Oh, good to be little good at my living. It is also the reason make us a free Stockholm, Sweden. Now, we did the Papa SC group. You can say, me too quiet, need Abrokyire 77, Namisha. Abrokyire, you call it trade, and you'll be an assembly, between Yano, Fufusa. Now, such a young son, your pet.
What you most honorable, one copy of see Yanko, the two Batago baby, Yamba. Yanom Yena, I got a son when you was Sylvia, who just some one of baby, this year, baby,
a bear fear junior, Kwakutu Bata, on Frank on my neck, Yentene, come here, say only Fia, Bemaba, Yasia, I went to a many papas, after when you are Fede, Papa, one begin to me to quabble me, maybe I will be as a sound near my or the Sheba, and then Mammy come and such a bayoda and to some side of property, and imagine him our program, or quite cheap and your best son, baby. I will say, when you show fit to be racist. Once, one day, I will see the coach, be a sort of
America Abrokyire Maniham Bayen on Dowara Amania mi fanu abrofu baduani nyina ya hane cabbage no beedi mo ahane beedi pan no ahane wofa mesu minya Abrokyire mintim wi ahane ha sa nti ka kire ma me kire ho nkoma ne wokotoro international airport ho fa nkamfo ha bayire koku ase ne boode ne ho fa mram wofa adwane ne wi ahane mintim wi ahane sa nsoro ho amane manne na wotepepepe wofa hu behunga America Abrokyire Maniham Bayen on Dowara Amania mi fanu abrofu baduani nyina ya hane cabbage no beedi mo ahane beedi pan no ahane wofa mesu minya Abrokyire mintim wi ahane ha sa nti ka kire ma me kire ho nkoma ne wokotoro international airport ho fa nkamfo ha bayire koku ase ne boode ne ho fa mram wofa adwane ne wi ahane mintim wi ahane sa nsoro ho amane manne na wotepepepe wofa hu behunga America Abrokyire Maniham Bayen on Dowara Amania mi fanu abrofu baduani nyina ya hane cabbage no bedi mo ahane bedi pa no ahane wofa mesu minya birekire mintin wi ahane ha sa nti ka kire ma me kira ho nkoma ne wokotoroka international airport ho fa nkamfo ha bayire kokwa ase ne bode ne ho pambara wofa gane ne wi ahane mintin wi ahane sa nsoro ho amane manne na wopepepepe wofa hu be hu ga tawi America
okoya aka kese na adeto nti owure fi ho kofi se ona na sa se da kokoben ne ton de ma odi tu kwai o fa jamana ni first kan be fu bi enya sa e be pe kwan bi so amwaba wote yo o de first kan toka na fa she ko tu akese ene combat o ba ba to ya wa ha o be ti wani da ko na agina kutuka se fa tu kwan okoya aka kese na adeto nti owure fi ho kofi se ona na sa se da kokoben ne ton de ma odi tu kwai o fa jamana ni first kan be fu bi enya sa e be pe kwan bi so amwaba wote yo o de first kan toka na fa she ko tu akese ene combat o ba ba to ya wa ha o be ti wani da ko na agina kutuka
ahaya Asempa 94.7 musofu kwa ba kwa Akonta jo ma obi bia akwaba edwo ba Abrokyire Nkomo aye ne memreda enreda bia ebo no nsiane fa ekopum no wotwe a aha ena bogus ana say Ghana for etukwan akwama no ne ya ne kama no ne a even unya tra the borders of Ghana oye boga ya ne free so bi akọ America ana so akọ Europe ana say wakọ otwansuo akọ different continent ye boga debi unya tra Ghana borders sa aflo na afaye so free pusiga ana se paga ana so ofa elibo ana say unya tra sa borders ipe oye boga etide ka say baby a wo bia oye ambassador e man Ghana man no eti say obedu Ghana ha ana baby a wo bia no asema ehia wa pese discuss Asempa 94.7 de ma wa akwanya say ofre na enu di nketa ho na sese nya debate wo ho ana ka bibi fa ho de afutuo ba o ka ho bi de me pa cha woni say Ghana ni bia wa ma no ni bia ya ambassador ye bisa say de na wo ya ma oman Ghana ama oman Ghana esoso ajuwa to mi say yo man bapa ye nya edin bibre tete kwashi ye nya ye papa Fianan ye nya so many people eba football aye nya abedi pele Tony Eboa ene pokunti no munyina omunyina akogina Ghana name ene as we speak the current footballer oma yedin eye hoya obudi ni mame Kudus because Kudus sobefa eye baby jet epaboashe baby jet ene Indianum only bibi otu den waye metro bi manso emien kase otu bi manso ebia na sika de wanya bi ba yenti wudi edien waye ama o community edien waye ama o district edien waye ama o busua ayekwa odin beba bonte me catch us say ye bibi ma o man Ghana ne mo osudi it's Abrokyire Nkomo aye no Asempa 94.7 ye wo nipa bebre titru bebre yentie ye papa ye bibia eye omampanyi eko United Nations eye General Assembly okobobo odin bebre Ghana fo a ye mamenom ya nananom yantis ye busia omukọ Abrokyire kọ ye slaves Sana mekano onko slaves ebiso they went there on their own say greener pasture e come bebriso bia faso to kwan every day migration ye adwuma enye so twa supo nkwan wa migration Ghana hakra ne bebra migration me migrant e won kran memu ha me fra sante memu ne mabankran ha me migrant eye den ya metima komachi saso obi so free in Kraha akọ different region or a migrant enoma tu ekọ krufufro so eba krufufro so eye weather ye ka weather eye wiase sachrae awotimi ba enoma bi ho a awo no omompe ombetu afiri ba bi omo no akokuru fufuro so a awia ne bo ho iti wokọ ba bi ti say Ramzia areas bi ti say Lashibi Ghana ha mebo baby Lashibi ewo time a wo enoma bi wo area Lashibi Ramzia area na sa no manu hu bi wo Ghana da ebia untu anamon ko hoda me makọ hoda sa no manu emre bi beso unhu o mo Ghana ha bio o masa tu akoba o machi because ennuane o mudi ana normal ebe mo matena no ebi ni ba bi o mo wo no nti o munim emre a ekuro bi so oman bi so area bi o metima ko eti wo yo oman papa not Ghana ha enye obia na tu free Ghana ha so ko oman bi so say ehia no nti ebibi migration there was so many dynamics eti ye papa ye nua ye kunu ya Akonta ye bibia omampanyin John Dramani Mahama call United Nations General Assembly and some of the kotu dwa ewo ho no unte ya emre ntimi mokra na meka cho se empeyifa hodo bebra kwakwa keka nsem a akire eye UN ekuo no aba Africa ene Ghana but this time ede ye ka ho asem omampanyi ko gina eye simpie so no to be honest see refi enchi kura na this time may refi Oma abrofo no hu say ofie enifie Africa ya Africa Ghana ya Ghana eti say yebetima yesa ekuo na enipa mienu ana ekuo mienu ana ekro mienu ana say epeyifo mienu bi ana ba ko bi efi so kan kabi dia this time yin de bekasa Africa yesu here a seat iya kunya ba ko eka mpeyifo a omotena se sha adwene Africa ye wadoye ye susene aman ahudu bi ye susene continent ahudu bi ye so nto mampanyi ko gina pap no kasa ye no so wentie kura na enne me ka kire say Israel aye tikrom ha say ye Christians ena Israel omampanyi na oda Israel for anokura gina so kasa kura na amafo so de pie ekire say ewiase na air dynamics emprempren untu for tumi esisime untu for watade esisime untu for sika esisime untu for nimdie esisime onimdie a won misimo onimdie omampanyi John Dramani Mahama ekogina wo say it's time to get a seat. It's time to also listen to us. The speech, and yes, on Kwana, Mpacho Bebre, Mandela Aka, and pay for a Brakokasa. But this time, or the Kotuso, or Sisupuma, or Bosso, or Hamano, or hitting nail on his head. Yeti Dombeka. Omajatum, Omuntuma, yes, you have your wadjane. Say, Sitchin or da, Copenchini. Say, a war and a road Copa Akasa. Yemayu who say, or mine Ghana, or my concurrent Ghana. And now say, continent Africa, yes, you are doing. Be bien where could be a Safanina, Ghana, and now say, Africa, Abrofono Mahamepe. Se obitimi de sese ne bo eka se meso memprea Russia timi de sese ne bo aden na Ghana ntim fanisi sese ne bo eni Abrokyire Nkomo yeni yenu mpanyifo bebra omo amono ne bekasa na emum yetimi no obi ankasa yeyin mpanyifo bese enan eno Abrokyire Nkomo enwumre Abrokyire Nkomo obia wodo pese oka efa eye UN General Assembly. Yes, I shall be bio. Ye can the Benkumo, ya can the Faso. Omampayini any media share a Abankesim. A journalist asked Ebusa Omampayini say, Yedi Indipa bese do 9 bia bagana ha. Omampayini ya no. Sasusu na ye Minister for Foreign Affairs. Esusu Asia esantrofo efa eye Jumedia ebedi in December. Eye Diaspora Summit. Or says esisupo. Say ampa enokre. Sandipa do 9 no. Emu edua 940 esa nam kwemo moeba. Ghana banye kapre. Ghana banye onye kapre. Infree ubia ho. Nemum yenhwe enipa. Say yenye Africans, ye West Africans. Ye ECOWAS also association. It is say yenye bi hu chi no baby na so oba be si ha enye problem. No problem. Yenye hwe. Ye wa so na ye tese America ban eka say enkro ahudo bi 5 years visa or de maye no ate so about 3 months. Say ye den or say ye mu bi abakrom ho a embosome ana mfie ana say ena hodo ase di okrom ho no ye busu into atwam. Enti ede ne ba ya ana so be ka say ede na ti ba ira ho mam. Emma asema America ban e can say Ghana 5 years no or just insane 3 months. Ya single. So just 3 months no kra na okwa na oba wontimi nkobio. But first 5 years no na multiple. Jumedi ni din ye Abrokyire Nkomo. Ghana for ye wa monone e de ya bafie ye nkomo de yedi. Etisan enkofo ya ba Ghana yi enti nene ye minister esuko meeting adabato ne website and say ne Facebook and say the social media say America ban so was say yi sa 5 years na or this is say you come so year free ho no it was sad am back e asemisa eni bedi nyina ho komo me semre a higher Asempa 4.7 musofu kokwa makwa Akonta ju Ghana for ya monone ye ne abafie ene wo ho aha eni di enkomo ye beka no se de city ye beka se de city yes semre yenko eye ahoma no so production ahihye no ma bebre agu ahoma yi so se ahoma ne ni ehwamo a ye beka ne se ye behwe se bia ibenya enuanom ne enu modi nkomo na yehunu ne pumasibre enuanom makwaba Bisa rekoti menka I think say e be sa kwa ahoma no so na yahwe Bisa rekoti menka Bisa rekoti menka bisa yukuti menka bisa yukuso timenka yo bisa yuku afele mitonka oso timenka
netonka
yo sasa na meko eye Dr. Sewa ayi Dr. Otimenka yo
hello
yo mama Otimenka dia metonka wa hapa na ebisa phone to say
boko
edabusia eswase menko ahwano so bi na me hwese menya eye lawyer
Miami nya baba akope. Lawyer AK Poku. Lawyer what me ka?
Me pato me te wonka.
Yo. We dey yes na na rekoba be kan yensa emi silu. Me sha sem free bisa ayiku. Bisa ayiku ye okandifo. Ye ka Ghana for Canada. Na waje ensantro djuma no ato ne nsa so. Na ochotro de ekoso Canada and de ekoso Ghana. Say the Ghana for war Canada. Ebe hu de ekoso e wo wiase afane nyina. Bisa ayiku. Bisa ayiku akwaba.
Yo, medasi.
Yo, na pom to say.
Nyame adom bibia boko.
Yo.
Pacho the way the medasi say what me abala so. Na area.
Yo. Mo ho ya wia ho.
Ah, ya area.
Yo. Omo se de Yankopon abode asitie. Ye ha enyuna adwo omo so ya wia. Se de wiase asitie do no. Mr. Yuku, ba me wo ho abokosem kakra bi. Mr. Yuku Ghana ni ba de. Na okopie Canada, de na ama otimi aye esanchojuma a wodi bo de Roma Ghana for. Me ho abokosem kakra bi.
Yo, where there there was never akonya so achia ebusuafo ne anuanom won Ghana nyina. Nti Toronto na me wo na yedi dwuma bi se ye intro ya Association of Ghanaian News Canada and community newspaper just yedi ho dwuma
PTO
Akonta
PTO
my assistant no on no friend also want to me
me try some nyana bem or the cost kasa
wait I'm sorry
no problem
yeah into your Toronto and yeah publish community newspaper busumi bia into some my course for Ghana na yanso ye hwehwe mu a na ye dia to enuanu ma wa ha na dia to wanim na na ma course nso wo Abrokyire no Canada ha no so na
it's have another
hello
Ethiopia
yeah na dia to amanfo ne busuafo anim nti dwuma ye di wa ha no nti se bibi to say ne o man pani call United Nations just an insamo kind no ye put your bone in to find that just ya to people so na yanso ya some discussion near you ha say na fa your community ha na fa Ghana for wa no na edi ho dwuma nti dwuma edi wa ha no
yo embrenti yes omre ansana me call lawyer no so aye and I mean obi aye introduction kakra me call lawyer Beta Dr. Beta miss me so as a doctor me makwa baby
yeah but for your live TV your live radio no
I was live pa Asempa 94.7
okay
ya kasa Dr. Beta sewa ai also US and our my insurance also as a doctor then also as a doctor
I'm an infectious disease specialist. Me sure nipa what different kinds of infection.
Right. Yo. You didn't come more afa Ghana for a while amanone and I do aka ho a ye didn't come we nti we down where the year then our person over Ghana for who nipa kwa we what much adwuma we yan kasa de
say be obi ba hospital no infection be announce HIV malaria tuberculosis hepatitis C and yare bia ema TB fever na the doctor who had the car na afeni na my baba say
all right
my baba say ni ka call actually my day
okay edenya me ase yo ena men call lawyer AK Poku lawyer yo lawyer de ebia na obi refi ne ho a ye ne lawyer de edi nkomo afa time US a council 5 years na by 3 months na need nkomo na cheche no ma bebre mu untie ne nka ene lawyer sada ho di ma amanfo ho nipa wa oye.
Hello, good evening. The virtual mix here with your phone and your friend me Ikwe Ohene Twini Aboagye Nkofo ni me say your friend me AK Poku. Me a US immigration attorney ewo US Virginia. And your boy Nkofo bebre wo all 50 states in the US mo to me bo mo nya mo krata mo to me data etna kom ha.
Good. Well, me semre o de me ba ho no mu on the third said me by me call Dr. Yukuso. Doctor, I am Mr. Yuku. Canada and him say ochro in Sema Ghana for work Canada. Omampanyina aba a General Assembly. Obekan Assembly bre. Yebusa Ghana for ha. Mo amanone mutie do kan ye nyina chi no. Ekita ho a modi wo Canada ho. Anasa Abrokyire Nkomo no yechi Ghana foti mutie no mo so adwen kire say yeti
yo where the recipe so am memlese instrument share market omampani United Nations no kwere no yenyina eni age ho ye fa no say very historic because in some pio honoma nipa bi tumi nka o tumi si ne bo akoka asema jese say etumbo pa ama obi eni age especially we talk about permanent members just on veto powers no you say ekoba say nema permanent members meaning veto powers just 5 of them no just initially according to say almost former United Nations Convention which is 5 countries United States, Britain, France, China and Russia. Any amount of veto power based on what just said they were part of the Second World War just the form that organization initially and the amount to me be just other members but become one just one printing says the banner say you make a decision and just one to make say there be as way there say the necessary now bra one more years I check now one say we are so near masses until with this veto powers like once more out to just near masses and we are so never be blaze some we are in global world and all that until ebinum to me nka enti omampani call ya boss no nyina ye ni due na other countries na especially Africa so they answer ni ade say wa ya de pa say otumi make ye enti we hope say as say emre econo sa veto powers ni ma no ombehwe na ye di ho duma say no omampani can say United Nations they have to reset the agenda. We were very, very happy, and it's true. So he hit the head on the nail, right there. And he can't make about the veto,
Right. You share this speech, okay, no my best say in Sia. But yeah, as a diaspora, okay, something about slave, something about a seat, say Africa. If menya seat akan the veto powers no ho ne then abigina so akasa about Ghana for ti say
yeah and also no correct so hwemu a just niema ntwaye because so hwe a country like Africa na United Nations na ye ni seat or ha na just to me is enkoye there's a woman young Africans, there's one for any friends, and that is one no. They make a decision. Now, Beckham, I just hear poor and poor. I just said, Yatum. Until also, there's a senior man, penny, quite kind. There's a better soon. Other, members, their agenda on no matter. Africa is time, say, Yansubenia seat for United Nations as it because the way I name a connotation and try it and call it into a honor. So, a man falling in our boat, a bustle. But this is not the first time. And you're not the first person I say other is Penocano Mandela and the other past president will be our canvas and Tassum who said this time no dear be at the Tassum. And then also my penny, the Bonambasso said, why are the
Yanko Dr. Beta Sewa Ai Doc obey you the same question goes to you. Dear now Becca found
I can't do about slave trade.
Yeah, me too. The other baby or can be they also feed up as a come some.
Oh, they are making commenting on your the scandal for Africa now. A lot of our young people know they don't only much about scandal for Africa because you think if you don't know your history, you are bound to repeat it. And I think that for people in India, Ghana, Nigeria, all these other countries, and I'm telling for Korea, African. If you come into money, roll up or they play and say, let me be a fan, maybe a couple of things. If you start to say, and your brother being independent, so that all the other countries became independent. But after that, there's now new colonialism where gold, any idea, and I always dependent. I thought that Antonino was proposing, say, we need to be more aware that Africa is the future. And the young folk now, young town forms to assume and come young family deal. It's a very, very important.
Yes, I share about a several castle. Kwasum any yen share baby to say the veto powers and so then I can found
I'm part of also veto powers
say acquire say yina akoshia but I say a man beat me kasa yen to me kasa this time or my paint me sebre echro say it shouldn't be so say I say nipa bi kasa ono de fana by any intimi kasa bi now we should all have a voice and then abeka fa ho
so I feel that one obia come it's one thing for Becca say I was able to power is crazy and it's another thing to also make sure easy to change and go be changing the data and to rather not so a friend of the after Obia between a man and boy fire header. And then you said you have 5 countries who tell them what I say, a credit that one, Obia between a man and boy fire header. Now they are simple, let us say, you who say that problem, you are solved. So,
yeah. Yes, I should say, I'm coming back to you, Doctor. So I can say, no, a Subia voice should be heard. But I say, Africa for no, ya bemu all the time. I say they can't tend the cause you because of the pay free of Monty, it's kasa, and so will be found.
Oh, I said the intimate kasa, just said. As to whether you're the bear, someone answer young finance and any issue. So we make a back almost the bear and any issue. And see, Papa, the end say you and you'll be out of our casa. So, it didn't say 2-state solution, ever Gaza. It didn't say you say, you'll be some moment, my conflict. But any casa make it. Said the other yard, the old panel, you bet me the IMRA, at the IMRA, and then
okay. Okay.
No, whether Akonta, my member,
okay, Mr. Yuku. Lawyer Poku Baba or Hodom when you have a Mamma Minty them so a Yukuka. Okay, Mr. Yukumiti.
Just a veto powers, no, yeah, home information I should film, but one more person, much I say. Those 5 permanent, they are the founding members. And the founding members, na entre woma abemno kokonu ne members na abemno ya ma womo just as a bibia no bibia ko bia founding member no override yeah no it's like own person just say party business now the directors abem maybe a vote definitely who upper vote who upper hand like 51% more than just one kind of basa sometimes in Sisuye, but Joma family say that is the reason they are the founding members. The founding members, say a meeting, make a decision, being a trustman, one founding member can veto it, not just a killing. So, I know now, and Tasum, and Tina, or Mampeni, it's time for them to reset the agenda. It's not just all this, any rules and regulations, they might be reversed because according to founding members, you as a nation, is 80 years now. It is about time I see a share condition members, regulation, the money, research. And yes, they are not just we can say United Nations, they don't have, they can't bite, they just make noise. Right. So this is where we are now.
Okay, let me come back to Dr. Beta so about reparation. President Kanwasem. Doc, I know some time near short and member what Kasafa. President Kabibi for a year sleeve. I did years back. I think say the slave masters in the crowd they chew mocha. But what about the slave family? Any year Kanwasem say it's about time start reparation they should also compensate us. And then I become from one son, Major Quine Crown work about time. Does that better?
Reparations, so we don't want to man. Could be a bit of a budget. If you for the kids, so we said, so we be our family. If we get a walking on the for doing and decided to program and reparations, budget to be normal financial reparations. Almost cabinet in both to pay any reparations. If you take home her America say I believe before never start over here reparations, young come more. And she mean a kind of mobile for a more diamond over this near reparations.
And yet Ghana and your friend Africa in the whole continent, Well, President Kasai, though you say Ghana president and the Kasa, but he was speaking on behalf of Africa. At the same time, Ghana there. So they can on your budget any year, but they pay the slave masters over there. What about we, the source of a so? They don't make a foul.
Akonta Asempa, for hundreds of centuries, among 4 different reparations are so far been people be reparations. The Austria the same. The Akano, I also be a dear more deep for no meaning for the Abani of if in some vessels are slaves, so go back our house, diamond to a house, timber, you will meet our house. All vessels are slaves, it is still not too high. Into the amount of our house. When you find your Juma, no man for Mamma, instead of that, your vessels are there for 100 years ago, and will be for home reparation.
So, what can I say, dear? Let's say, currently, Minister, as also Edabetuja, even this UN 80th General Assembly, there are some other countries be so as a sign contract of say, you bet me your mofra or doctors, nurses, and other HND near Abre or more Abayajmo on ye. I think then so then I become found because already you be fire slaves. Now, no, yes, I didn't put a warm. These people are not coming back to do something for the mother Ghana. When they go there, they are going to do something for that country. Are we going to get something from it? Can you tell us something about it?
So sometimes almost me arrangement could be a message probably fear back so much. And see, abandoned me in the vehicle, but not to not play a little bit of pseudo slavery. First, no one will become your better time on the work, when you are reparations. After one more hot work, would be a better, and see, it's sort of being down here and all there. Reparations, you know, they are making, and for start to be home for one. But to be on to me, people are more be reparations. You see, I don't think that a nice Asama any particular, but I don't think that.
Yeah, Akonta, Honomene, Dr. Yadrin, just a little discount the Omuntia, but the same occasion near more than woman in I am money I can buy. If you say that's what we should think of.
Right. I think, say, baby, I hear Kakonina, no lawyer, I hear Iliaba or Hima Precope, Eke Puku. Lawyer, I think, say, what's he doing? If you will be a class at the bus, migration side, no, would all feel the pie migration. Lawyer, what's your conversation? You're a becker for her.
Akonta, I'll stick with the U.S. immigration discussion until you do a host one.
What's secure order because of fulfilled needing? Okay, all right, right. It's finally, Dr. Betha Sewa Ai, finally, yeah, Obekafa reparation a year okay, and Mr. Ayuku Aka Afasosono. Finally. Overall a conversation. You finally say President Kasawi, you know, we talk for prayer down by Buffalo.
Patrol me to me Kasa na say.
I want to make us say, yeah, share any angle be a President Kasa, you know. But President Kasa, you know, at the end of the day, you who say this time, I say Africa, yenya akoma, yenya strong heart to talk about ye feeling. This time, that's it. Menya, baby, ejina akasachre, ye baby, ye kwajisko sokalafia. Sebi, when I bring Miss Katobi, I need the kawasem. But and then, because of so sickle so then I will tell you the right color of you. President Akasa. In overall, the dead Rebecca and San Wako.
Oh, I make you send any speech near very bold. If I say you Yamon Pie say, if I say Africa, you're the future. Yamon Pie say, and you're more kind, the being young who are doing now, now, in terms of preparations, so a little bit of research, we hope that Germany fear for Holocaust survivors, US provided compensation for Japanese Americans. It didn't also any compensation in the past. South Africa didn't clear reparation to certain people, but I don't know if reparations will work in this setting. But overall, no, I think that the speech was very, very good and very inspiring. So on this note, let us thank for inviting me to the forum.
Dr. Betha Sewa Ai, Obia, Eba. Humanitarian side of it as a doctor, so they can, doc, meet me can hear, such bio, a dear now, oh yeah, as a doctor. President Bekai, disease.
The infectious disease specialist, the infection,
infection. Until the bed of Bagana Bay said you may am. Doc, what's it there? We don't buy.
Oh, Mr. and Chamu be here, and you're not a cassa, and I don't lie on the cassa.
Dr. Harvey sent a lawyer, if you know.
Okay. You're which no. Oh, better how to make her.
Oh, Missy, Enche, Beba. Over tea and Hawaii.
so no the be in the pipeline pipe no so no ma blow mu a ma na pie so me hu obi a wo
enya hwe ye beba
yo ne krakra ye da wasese ye to safre what ba kire wadwe efa president by do be kan in Africa we need to get to be on our feet because Gaddafi ne de Kwame Nkrumah ne de first other African presidents be brave or say Africa can be on their own but I can't say yen yibitimi de mercy from say koje so called lafia ti president Mahama yeda say ba me better me san come say you go lawyer de but that she be corner bi oto sa ayi to ho no ma yin le bi di ho komo yi yeda say be lawyer
yes
yo and that's why
yo me da say ye be kasa yo ye da say be lawyer cheda dwe me call yen call the next level of yen minister okujeto Abrokwa etimi da beto on Facebook officially ye hu no US omo website be ya but enam speech a omanpenye ko kan ye obeka ya bene lawyer ekepuku edi nkomo obechechire no ma bi a efa 3 months a UK US edi man say yes you can ada nkuru bi hu say 5 years no etwam by maybe 3 months and no a single entry especially when a student cry na sa 3 months na ade ama wono oba Ghana abesa apply for obechechire no ma bebre mu so refi hu ene esawo lawyer ewo ayi so enra enya sa feed for say Ghana US asa reinstate 5 years in the back no them sa born pro lawyer Mwakwaba.
I hope family patron me so thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. Lawyer, your bob there's a bosome mienu a atwamu yi. I may be corrected. Say okay. Ghana. Well, you are part of other countries bia. Yeah, 5 years near trim. Ya may 3 months. A single entry. Uche mu mai bibri eti ase. But enra sa General Assembly ya papa ka se wie ye no. On the board a year ya kan ho asem kakra. Ojian no so ka say no. Krobit is a Cuba. Papa ko si Pratt. Lone Ranger what major Cuba name or Ghana ha etima call masama mo Palestinians ni yi ye papa ye bibia obampanyini John Dramani Mahama etimi gire simpie so etimi ka cha abro for say yema Libya first Cuba for ho nto wo yema Gaza for ho nto wo e ba say Israel kra ko kasa kra no bebre work out Ghana ye ka ho bi ba ye tie as a legal practitioner when it comes to migration. Okay.
Well, thank you again. Yes. Let me focus on the new U.S. immigration update. Okay. Minister Samuel Okujeto Abrokwa announced on the social media page to say on America for negotiation as you say, your visa no mutual 5-year multiple entry for B visa and 4-year multiple entry for students F visa no almost restore into your go back to services because almost initially July 2025 almost say so they call 3-month single entry for both B and F. They say we are back to the 5-year multiple entry for B and 4-year multiple entry for students. Ahimachina US Embassy Accra almost also confirming your Instagram official social media handle say this has happened and we are back. Reciprocity chat has not reflected this update yet on the US Department of State's website. A whole database of all visa types are US, demand, different countries, fees, validity period, any number of entries. But a whole and reflected be now with time, no, a very reflected website.
Asempa FM.
Sparky debate be brain arguments online and just different places now. In Grofo be brain nankasa are not very comfortable jubilating. Other people are also happy. Let me my main call back na me explain then we can make up our own minds as to whether we a good news or not. It's not. But generally, I think that it's great news for Ghana. Say visa validity has been restored to 5 years, no multiple entry, 4 years, multiple entry for F visa. Now, under US law, no reciprocity, it allows Emma US SCT fees, validity period for visas, number of entries, how bit media for US based on how we treat almost also citizens. But reciprocity no engine baby fa it's shifted all the time. Now it depends on sometimes also on diplomacy, compliance, cooperation, idea. Now, Mobekaya, June 2025, Trump administration or presidential proclamation be a banning a COVID-19 from traveling into the US. After that, middle of June, and a Washington Post, and so the article be by say Trump are buying, they were considering 36 additional countries. Just a cool 19 countries no ma banning hono. Almost just 36 bit me abeka ho. Now that article no by Adam Taylor no almost I think was on June 14th. Article ne can say Washington Post a internal memo by the State Department and a memo no problems be brave with certain countries. Number one, no almost see a code 36 no more are listed on. Almost need competent cooperative central government authority to produce reliable identity documents or other civil documents. Not just say code 36, almost need a view of our birth and death registry no be able to make up a birth certificate or be shame to send him mommy. And no before din shame to send papa and I say death certificate crowd pay be out now bet me any be. Meanwhile, nani penalty as will baby. Ope ID and our passport and so Ufi Nigeria now Ufi Japan now ultimate Triaka be able to me in your passport. That's the problem with having a lack of competent central government authority or be producing reliable identity documents or civil documents. Emma Okono. Number 2, state memo, US Department of State memo niso kase. Ekono ma bobato hono. There's widespread government fraud. Not just say abayimuno corruption niema shisemwa. They didn't approve of. And thirdly, almost citizens and I said the inconform fees are chrono. Almost by US, almost be overstay, almost visas, almost by on now, some memo now Washington Post cast on women. Almost can say the US government was saying that if a country was willing to accept third country nationals who were removed from the US, it could mitigate our concerns. So what it simply means is that US government was saying, okay, as a bargaining tool, so code 36 no mabobo mudini. So I'm best start here GG and confer ye deport your mufi USA. It's our for no ko intimi NG or more. Then the US can also use that as a bargaining tool because okay, well, you can say Ghana, we are one call for ye deport your from Nigeria. But ye deport your from Nigeria, no Nigeria intimi NG because of some court orders from the US. Make sure a honor years back. Iti omo be bisa Ghana say ubetimi age Nigeria for ya na that's third country removals because Ghana no age Nigeria for na omo fi
Ghana
say na minka Ghana age nkofo omo fi Ghana omo je nkofo they have no ties to Ghana
omo fi
omo call Ghana da omo nim Ghana asa. It could be perhaps the first time I'm more Ghana, but and then the third country deportations. Not just say Yeah, for who you don't go a crop for due to some logistic barriers and that's a legal barriers. Well, it is our memo now. Washington Post. Can't no. Almost the memo was signed by Secretary of State Marco Rubio. And almost send this memo name my US diplomat with all these 36 countries and almost governments no. And almost 60 days to meet new benchmarks and requirements. State departments for establishing say, they have to work on widespread government fraud, they have to work on overstay, they have to work on lack of competency in issuing civil documents and identity documents. Then Washington memo posted by almost 36 countries no, and
Asempa FM
Ghana's visa downgrade. And not just say Ghana for almost US for downgrade visas almost them Ghana for and other countries to 3 months single entry. Na Ghana and Kwana Yukobi, Nigeria, Ethiopia, Cameroon, all of these people came down to 3 months single entry for US visa. And this was July 8, 2025. So that downgraded countries no. Now I say list now Washington Post they buy and now say Bibre na kusa list so. Into no mid-September 2025, and who say West African plaintiffs be ACO, U.S. District Court for D.C. ACO sue Trump administration. No say the U.S. government AUC Ghana for its dirty deportation work. Now, kind court transcripts ni judge order or the at the end of the interim ruling now. The filings reveal say U.S. government entered into an agreement or a secret arrangement with the Ghanaian government where in conform final removal orders but were not supposed to be sent back to their countries but were supposed to be sent to Ghana. It's my member example US now if who flee persecution or be buying by US now to me apply for BBF and asylum. Now normally who apply for asylum who bet me in your green card now with me in your citizenship at the end of the process. But asylum will rules. Who be right US within 1 year and so apply typically. It will be a while or be if you are no flee persecution or Janisa and I buy Bekuno, but if you are no chat deadline or bet na 2 years and so back I say, yeah, me present me cat and we do apply for asylum because what chat deadline on yes me my asylum, but me my BBI friend either withholding of removal and I say deferral of removal under Convention Against Torture. Now, sir, withholding of removal and Convention Against Torture, and no cry. Asylum. Asylum, you just have to prove 10% fear. Say, fear any reasonable, say it's true. Convention cut any withholding of removal. So, to a more than 50% chance, say, come back to Ukoma. You will either face persecution, torture, or death.
Yeah.
It is uncle for way now. U.S. government, Ekukuomo, Ediomo Kogu Ghana, no more court protections from the United States. They had withholding of removal, they had Convention Against Torture. Like I say, the US government, could not deport them to their home countries because there's a more than a 50% chance say and as you go through torture. And you know what the US government did, they say in court, almost the Asempa to Ghana for so. US Department of Justice, in court, kept telling the judge, say, Yene Ghana arrangement. Ghana say Ghana did in home because Ghana had an obligation under the agreement, say, violating international treaties.
To sustain them here.
Yes.
Okay.
They said, say, Ghana just gave them promises. So as whether they sustain them or not was not necessarily said. But
okay.
Almost say Ghana gave assurances and reliable assurances. Say almost fast and baby I ever torture one on and home countries. And the US government in court categorically said, say, obi a breach agreement in Ghana. And Judge Tanya Chutkan, U.S. District Court of Washington, D.C. I think what can say? in the memorandum of opinion, or say it looks like Ghana was violating the assurances it gave to the US. Not just Ghana, some more kind when this so. But US government is also say, oh well, yes, we need 2 minutes here because Ghana and because Ghana no may or didn't. It's yet to make you almost say you see and I say you see. And a judge, well, only jurisdiction of it, or that Ghana for say, when you see, and that's when you see. Because it is the result.
Because yeah, because US. I remember that's the old character say, but no traffic aside, no. The other two mono could do fear the other be minimum she.
Correct. And you know the problem they say US government for the shifty blaming now Ghana so. Now can me expect to say because me kind court transcripts me need decisions. I was very disturbed. Senka Ghana cry act to say yes shifty blame on you now come back baby but Ghana can say almost say oh. In fact, in the court transcripts, in normal explaining, so Ghana, I say, Schengen, Africa, I say Schengen visa, and you know, almost the incorporating Ghana, na Ghana forces to be to me the almost countries. And
yeah, for when they come in here now, anytime they want to go back to their country, they feel free to go to their country.
It's not just a plaintiff, I a sign now. It looks like that was the agreement, but US followed did not admit that was the agreement. Almost there, almost catch a gun because there be Mamo Pop away and Kobe able to show Ghana
Asempa FM.
A breach again. Okay, now against that backdrop, NFA there you say, Ghana Oma restore validity to 5 years. As far as I know, other countries now downgrade you restore your validity. You know, it's like okay, what happened? It's hard to know. It's hard to know what diplomatic negotiations went on behind closed doors. But you come back to Washington Post memo now. One factor that was given is cooperation with third country deportations. No, and no never mitigating visa restrictions. No, and again also attitude say. US for Abrokyire Nkomo and now almost also G2. Okay, that the US is known to use almost leverage. You say US almost powerful, almost visa no. Just say some woman could be brave because of the American dream. If they use it as leverage and as a tool of pressure and influence. Now, in fact, before what the Ghana giving exchange, then yes, we are yakunya way. But okay, how to say we are saying life is transactional. Never be brave. Business transactions, our friendships, because it usually involves some kind of give and take. In law, no contract law is not because a consideration. You give something, you get something, and that's what makes a promise legally enforceable. So you ever say our real move. Obama obi ne love ne time exclusivity ne companionship in return maybe on also betting stability be a financial or emotional support near there. But it's that type of exchange no my it might not be necessarily an equal trade. It be so quid pro quo. But the other thing is that the negotiation now it could be highly imbalanced. We don't know. The stronger side will always control the exchange and call the shots. It's the US government, the problem is that it's very difficult for, as I said, for jubilated because we don't know. And to send you go back to me example of wife and husband. Or you feel when you brand new 2025 Benz car from the boss. Obeka say Obeka no when was such a deal when you don't know what she gave in exchange. But Obeka tell say in exchange, I say be a Juma 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Obeka say, hey, you know where they say he and said that your deal in said and your papa. But I no, I say
Mamma Crabbit, Mamma Bitmack, I said, I mean, my Abba was saying,
now young man say be a 2025 Benz car. We are in exchange, once every 3 months. she just has to go for a 2-hour board meeting now. That's not bad. That's not a bad deal.
Yeah.
The thing is that we don't know what Ghana give up in exchange. And until say you better terms of agreement, we cannot really judge what went on. Only the parties almost at the table, no exchange, no.
Actually,
in fact, court say initially the court thought that the agreement between US and Ghana was written into the court said that they should bring that document and shame. But Omo claim he said a oral arrangement.
Oh, so it's not written.
That's what they claim.
It's not written.
That is a US government, M-Pesa will be releasing what they have. Ghana government, so M-Pesa will be releasing what they have. Now only Madi Omoye. US government, Edna court, say, oh, yeah, the Omo command Ghana, oh, yeah, and cut Omo for Monko. Meanwhile, Omo to plane soa, Omo deportees, no Yoko Nyani Omo tina military planes so and Najono. ICE officers ne catch deportees and say, yeah, they won't come Ghana near the Wako Chrome. They knew. But US government say we told Ghana say men deport your Monko baby.
Asempa FM.
Oh, yeah, the deal they say, yeah, the Omo bar because humanitarian reasons it's in yes we have your Mako Chrome. And in the US is able to cover up what the deal was. Ghana forces are able to cover up. It's just that the entire deal is shrouded in secrecy, diplomacy. I timi hu asemo amoko kan.
Lawyer
the day.
Lawyer AK Poku FNCA. Ghana you asemo ebonepo. Bedase. Yes, omo Africans. Omba Ghana ha any problem. Your Ghanaians so makako siki asylum or other countries they are also living better. We have so many judges, we have so many President Kai, Kofi Annan, so many people. Do kind of miss me offer for more me family omoko political and enkrano lecturers, professors. Your cop chok kruma or say obo assassin my baby obi abetra na wabon ho ban aye na edwuma bia no or their channel. But documentation wise no and I'm not crazy with us. You say emresim no ko be daddy. Me mama say omre. Oso so no wo meeting bia wo ko before see ya. Then na akwa na kra na efe wi. Asama ko Mr. Yukuso near the wi.
Metacho Akonta jo de miana.
Me de dia na beka twato. De o kan nyina akuru say yene America ban no say omomre krom ha ya ka say for monko krom. Now omako krom. I court issue. We are waiting for the verdict. The cockra dia na beka kire Ghana for.
Ghana for I would just tell themselves, well, all my answers are all leaders, or as a young leaders for Ghana and they get me my answers. And that's it. We should just remain vigilant and see how this unfolds. And
Right. Now Obasa Konos so what would see me Samri so this should be America, no war, immigration program. And now the mechanic say, Ghana for me immigration program. The converso need to be who. I must see me so and son who and now say there's another platform on.
Oh, okay. Well, US immigration challenge, we are open green card, citizenship, work permit. We contact AK Pokulo. We represent clients in 50 states all throughout the US and around the world. It's basically afraid. And I say, Google AK Pokulo or Google your number. Your number no meet me about mamo 802-780-0564. Which means we email hello@akpokulo.com. And I say, Google social media baby AK Pokulo. Wait to me a follow you now wait me to send a message. Now at the end time.
The crowd will be seen as Akonta or Asempa 4.7 multimedia group Ahanma between Yanama.
No, Akonta.
lawyer, Mr. You go be can meet you.
I transfer a lawyer back or not come no them for you. Who make a comment and your lawyer? I can make a comment about migration of the nurses and the professionals, but no, now who can say, you're going to say. Now, lawyer, no. Now, you didn't cast a six rave, maybe not to say a opportunity here, but who say Africa there. We are always going for bringing past China there. Until you look at severe opportunity, being so better say six rave, and also moving who say, lawyer.
I'm sorry, I contact you, but Asempa FM phone and was some frame and indeed, Ubesa also be to me repeating our kind.
Okay, no patch any say. What's that make we say? Government class or Saturday law nurses near echo outside for dinner pasture and no patch say a year other way of slavery and as a day, sad of a
Oh, me patch I mean, said done tis assembly so ye, be at semi who
yeah, government has signed so many contracts with other countries are a year. Yeah, we move visas. Again, government say we say the manner mun work inside Juma any other countries. Now Omako Yajma. And no business say, is it also another way of say, is it prudent say government may say nana?
Oh, so you're prudent there. I'm sure say government are analyzing yeah, I don't know. I don't know much about it.
Mr. Cool, I tell you the question you okay, Mao.
Oh yeah, okay. Me feel say if we are better for research now another time we discuss
this okay. Lawyer Kasa.
Me patcho sanka ye upese me conclude na say then question be na upese.
No, opatche say yes as a say nimdiefo a omwo ha ka ombeboa oman na chichire no yes as so back another country se plumber nurse other professionals no you don't say another country what obusa say is it okay say country yes so okay yes in yasa akofo e building the nation no yes how back another country and the country itself no we also looking for such people no to also do something for us. What do you want to say?
And it's very difficult for me to answer that question because you're not in brain drain. But at the end of the day, maybe a government is to analyze, maybe a training program, maybe for a definite period of time, or more cost sharpening, almost skills. But I don't know. It's no mean to me that my whole response because we need a lot about the program.
Okay, and maybe for question we miss out. Since Kwame Nkrumah and your government since Kwame Nkrumah, you say you the Ghana for the call outside Akusiano maybe to bring them back home to also build the nation. Yaman scholarship. Yaman scholarship are up to today. Omo yina kwa moma. Didn't have come from. Is it good say you may continue to pay all this money for people to go out there, but they won't come and they give back to the country?
Well, and also yeah, very difficult. Miss me, I'm a general blanket answer because obvious circumstances are different. Almost by I don't know what type of opportunity umunya and I mean so because I'm back to Ghana. Obi me spend 50 years US ha. But by the time of the Ghana within 6 months or some type of advancement we are now saying in DB or DFT habit me are transforming the community. I bet me a ripple effect. Obi or what now Ghana be a 50 years grab may not be able to impact in the community in that way. It's it just really depends.
No.
But at the end of it all, no, here say yes, so Ghana, you bet me build a crew, no, na it's me assume.
Look, when we saw about Ghana several times, what you play more? Bohuan Sanko bebre ayeke. Over back not to which him near Daba. Sandy Pano, dear impact on the Bregana.
Say impact today, and no beer, and just say, and no 9 corner ultimate impact. Who are the wheelchair move back? Near more not Jimmy Yeno. And can you be a Nancy, always me a Nancy from our sheet or doco? Is there no dear, and you know, you can be.
No, I think, Mr. Isi, Mr. Yuku, sorry, Mr. Yuku, Sabrem you.
Okay. I'm just saying.
Sabrem you. So, Tidoka, or see, if I say the party reach, maybe I'm not dreaming with the hormone.
Oh, no, correct. And there no question. We Ghana na Sabio. So big to reach my face beer. Oh yeah, kind of say.
Disable.
Or less.
Yeah. Physically challenge. Yeah, physically challenge. Yeah.
I had the out to reach crown na there's a say no. Everything is. Yeah.
Hey, Papa, you drop or tell you who more. Mobile, Poma could tell me what I reach him with the coffee, the number Yamay. If you can, I will see your crown or Brosano crowd me from you.
Over back and a crown, Biana or ye Jumawo research lab for several years. Obit me a lab be you never know, obit me training, you know, the youth, obit me offer words of direction, career guidance, then you know the impact. No, it doesn't matter. Even if it's they just get over back for a very short
time in the BTA. The three of us will discuss this one on this issue. Mr. Yukumitio.
Second, I may make a comment with just once one make it mention says for your scholarship and almost sound. I don't know part of the problem of the government, there's no incentive for these people to come back because of as a student over a year for you to come back and say any easy. You need some kind of incentive. I can't ask him or ask him, but they are not taking it.
Only
problem.
Many director of diaspora KOD near Milia. Remember Tamna Baha. Then the three of us will be with him. Now, yeah, discuss our side with it properly. KOD, boss, near Milia no. Do Milia Ketuano, but it's only the boss. Remember Tam KOD Abetraha. The diaspora unit no. They discuss side way properly. Until time national until remember be remember Doc 2 minutes to wrap up with all what you said, for us to learn something from this. No, I keep Ukumenka. Miss me more 2 minutes. Discussion in wrap up for 2 minutes be then Abeka. And also I want you so ma abusia for Ghana so a kwanda.
Okay. Yeah, to say I can US immigration is say abaye very complex, nuanced. And the more conversations we can have about this, and the more but in all of this, to say Prof. Ghana, so we have to be able to build our country. Sana youth, I feel say just almost by Americans so they can make it. I mean, will be any opportunity to be near Baba, and it mustn't be a do or die affair. And so leaders no betimi aye near betimi aboa
Asempa FM.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I hope so. Promise my listeners, immigration there. ana migration dey ntwemu da eba enoma emwa ene nipa migration ntwemu da Nyankopɔn obo asase no the migration ka ho mimiti asese mfi Kumase na mabankra ha my migrating maba saso obi yenkran also migrate ko Kumase obi ko western region obi ko north anie and also so ye wo mu amakokuduru obi close amoye migration ntwemu da promise ye say obama ye advice knowledge for migration what the promise or the whole year obama ye how many times in a year
oh you bet me a year no as often as my schedule will permit me, but the social media platforms we are always sharing information. Into Omoko follow AK Pokulo across all social media platforms, and then yenya ho kwan so so ani yetimi aba. The way I'm happy idea promises na ya na impese me mana yentimi enti so ntino.
But Ghana for me no credit maker me tia me numa kenkan in mutual ba me tin masomo a metimi di akiri pepepe it's Ghana for ayetie no my arreshimu say e bia kokwa mankwa or every 3 months bia mema 20 minutes 10 minutes nima ka Akonta mu nsem obi opeso ba America bia no ekwan so fa so betimi de dra America no wetime nya na so medwie no wetime da ye adwuma bebu abusia ma me promise we me pacho
you betimi I try and say you betimi I just you betimi I and say
you betimi and say ati for moti ati me fa say me nya ni bribre what the every 3 months se me nya ni twice in the 3 months no kra metwe na ba ajatum enti Akonta de hu hia remittance se be fie no mo Abrokyire mo na maboa efie mebre me tie me sister am me 20 euros na me braso am me 20 pounds every month bia me tibi hwe me yere ne me ma na ko si twum so de aka ho right it's a remittance se de aban kura matrase say 50% reduction aba nti esre mo yeda masi bebre bisa yiku also final word
me final word me sir yeda man penny asese what you mean I go to United Nations no akojuna wo nyina ni maka no crature wo so na ka say no credit is one that's a no then you can get no credit na just ya na so we say Africa there then no ya can there be much ma ka say bia ni abuiti yeah so so you say me wa ka no mama be play very adwuma o ma ho say it's about time as I said no credit the evidence was say United Nations they have to reset the agenda and I hope that they are going to do it
resetting it or can be the power because I think resetting the man Israel Prime Minister Putin also Kasana obi abakoti no
match ebusanfo nyina na ahwefo nya chiefo nyina
na mama o site no Canada Ghana for etie
GhanaianNews.ca www.GhanaianNews.ca
Canada right so the ekano ye papa o kasa yi na kese kede ne vice eka ho but ahomana ntimi anchina to but onam kwemu bagana oba ya be mamtam no ka krum ha ya cities where no become more about Ghanaians in Canada krobia asomdwie ene intinti de ho Canada ne Switzerland mentimi hu se ka kro no be twins asasere unto mo se omo color ya ba red but middle of a we have plus anamewa and we so ye different emblem it's Canada Canada and Switzerland there boy twins kra
me kai say na Trump see obeso je Canada ka ikuro no e ka ya adwene kire no
o ye beka ho asem later eti Ghana for war Canada obia momode ase obekọ Ghanaian Canadian news na moko ready a lot of bibli twa ticket bibli agencies so twa ticket mama ba Ghana ne big platform ho moko ho no ma mo be hu de Ghanaians in Canada edeboa edobi biase yet be see her time of Dr. Phil and they do so but that's bibli summary at production me for one call biara production me for one call bi okay 030-221-6545 and 030-221-6546 production say yemfa 1 or 2 calls baby and then kobaye di no ato obi adwene me no so be mika 030-221-6545 030-221-6546 one call and not two near here and yes also there be na Dr. Phil taking the seat na ya head e koso ye nyina ye ni omampanyi call kana US in fact atiyenim papa omampanyi call ye kasa okan no this is what we call I think say kan papa is so jani kran ko obekasa more than this ni papa nyo so jani mponi. We should tell the whites, we should tell the Western what we Africans can also do. Gaddafi ye, Mandela ye, Idi Amin ye, so many Ghanaian African leaders FIT say ene ye current omo banyina ko keke bibia kire but current we need a seat. We need that seat. The veto power is now no feel say America for kan maka. Na yet Ghana ha and America de obi antimi wo mo. Upoa. A champion catch wo mo say ye was asset so. Ye slow bia America's antimi si Ghana ha me yehwe. They rather came to sit down with a champion to feed African people. Appreciate feed yourself. Mamo fa kala no nyei. Mamo fa mo visa se mo nyei. Yanya visa anko America, yanya visa anko UK, yanya visa anko Europe. Enti we can live and make our country proud. I'm always saying this. Ghana kaya di nyina a champion wa mobusiada into mamo fa ne nka ho. So from Kwame Nkrumah to today, a kayede, munye champion film, ya mobusiada. But the era of a champion, Dansuman, look at the estate I build here. Go all the country, across this country, low cost houses I build here. Minimum crown suhum dear, na menana, an ADC. Eti may catch them. We can do wherever we want to do without the Western nations, Busa no de maye no. Me say o ma panyin bedru abedu fi o afi no oba o. Your gold now ye nya 5% ni ye no. This time it should be 60-40. Omuntimi a gold ni ka form. Enka ho. Edru emre bi akoko kra no ya mfa koma wo mo. Koko ni kagana ha ombe pacho. Like I said, a champion also counts and they came to a champion to beg. But and now selfish interest. You see sugar needs a yinti and you say ye champion my. It's about time Africans. Let's stand up and fight and get our continent back. Everything we have it. Madam say time with Dr. Phil. Madam pay for a birthday na me fa asida Emma Coach Ogre or the me call Facebook Asempa 94.7 no side me call YouTube Akonta FM Akonta odian de Akonta de Akonta Joe right ya create YouTube amame Akonta Joe ukohon ma obenya programs nyina na me fa Iman the only Iman Asalasi. Aha. Ona babe diseju an adie. Iman or ye brutal.
ɔyɛ brutal ɛnɛ ɔba bɛka ho ama bibia na mo mefa we ntwa to yɛbɛda obi bia ɛnɛ ɔbɛboae multimedia ɛmɛgya DJ Awana kwan yɛbɛda obi bia se mo montimama social media mutimi send mo bibia through momo ɛne ɛyi nyinaa yɛbɛda obi bia se DJ Awana ayebi sɛ meka no ɛdeɛ na ɛbɛbɔ wodi afa ho ɛba music especially gospel music so wodi enye de say ɛyɛ de Awana will try his best to promote it and some of them abeye popular from say the omoye stars enya Awana ka meye music star no but ene men ka hwe awie na meni ho but ebedru o channel pa meti the person meti hey musicians no me bombo chi papa I wasn't expecting so Awana daho na me hu any musician so ojina ho esu Awana. It's a shame but me see my chance me the hana si ho but me say wie me free ho bay sa fe ne binum akọ no mo dia be pade mo e ba wo mu din ya me show bibia a higher Asempa 94.7 mo so fuko kwa man Akonta Abrokyire Nkomo 94.7 Asempa FM Kochogre and Iman and Edmeba Dream. It will be as Yamishram. Time